Melissa Hoover.
She's really got the whole package.
Music makes the bourgeoisie and the rebel. Don't think of yesterday and I don't look at the clock. Like to boogie woogie. Music.
Oh, all right.
At number 4, it's the one, the only, the Derek.
As I look into your eyes, I tell you what I see. Girl, you're the one I'm going to keep in my dreams. I want to hold you close, give you everything, girl, let you know you're going to be wearing my diamond ring. You want to hear the chorus?
No, I couldn't hear anymore.
At number 3, somehow this singer never quite got us into the holiday spirit. Wonder why.
Silent night. I said a silent night.
At number 2, Julie's very original interpretation of Lady Marmalade.
Getcha, ya, da, da, da. Hey, yeah, getcha, ya, ya, here. Mocha, choca, la, ta, ta, ya. Creole Lady Marmalade.
Hey.
Our final audition earned the distinction of being the absolute worst. Dead last out of 10,000 hopefuls, Jennifer's rendition of Genie in a Bottle left us hoping someone would put a cork in it.
If you wanna be with me, baby, there's a price to pay. I'm a genie in a bottle, gotta rub me the right way. If you wanna be with me, make your wish come true. Just come set me free, baby, and I'll be with you. I'm a genie in a bottle, baby. Come on and let me out.
Well, Jennifer, here's a new word. That was extraordinary.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, extraordinarily bad. Ouch.
About Simon Cowell for a second because he loves the spotlight. You can say what you like about Simon Cowell. Just don't do it on TV. Here's your online vote for your favorite put-downs from that guy, Simon Cowell. Watch.
Number 5 is right to the point.
Best singer in America.
Oh, yeah.
Right. I can honestly say you are the worst singer in America. Truthfully...
Well, that's my first audition, so...
Well, I'm not surprised, and it should be your last.
Number 4, Simon proves he's no magician.
I just want to be somebody's product. I want you guys to recreate me.
Well, this is a pen, not a magic wand. You have to start with a modicum of talent.
At number 3, Simon gives Jim Ferraro some tough love.
I don't think that was good enough. And I think if you win this competition, we would have failed. So I'm sorry.
Number 2, this guy didn't know what hit him.
When you entered this competition, did you really believe that you could become what you're standing on now, the American Idol?
Yes, sir.
Well, then you're deaf.
Our number 1 most memorable Simon line. I think Julie's still trying to figure this one out.
You taking singing lessons?
Very few.
Who's your teacher?
There was this lady up in Montana.
Do you have a lawyer?
No, I don't have a lawyer.
I'm
currently studying at UC Berkeley right now. But it's kind of odd, like, why I chose to even audition in the first place, because my major is civil engineering, which is totally not related to music. But I really like music. I want to make music my living. Talk to me, tell me your name. You blow me off like it's all the same. You lit it fuse and I'm taking away like a bomb. Yeah, baby. Talk to me, tell me your sign. You switching sides like a Gemini. You playing games and now you're hitting my heart like a drum. Yeah, baby. She bangs, she bangs. Oh, baby, when she moves, she moves. I go crazy cause she looks like a flower, but she stings like a bee. Like every girl in history. She bangs, she bangs. I'm wasted by the way she...
Thank you. You can't sing, you can't dance, so what do you want me to say?
I already gave my best, and I have no regrets at all.
Good for you.
That's good. Now that's good. That's good.
That's the best attitude yet.
You know, I have no professional training of singing or dancing, so...
Well, there's the surprise of the century.
William, you're the best. You're the best.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, William.
Okay,
Thank you, William.
Thank you.
So William would have to bang somewhere other than Hollywood. But it was better news for 10 others in San Francisco that day. Round 2 was waiting. Tomorrow night we head to Hawaii, where the talent reminded us of so.
Killed in a good way or a bad way?
I'm afraid. Well, listen, killing is never good.
Killing is never good.
There's never a happy killing.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, I mean, that was first degree on that one. Oh, Scott, it was dreadful. No, really dreadful. And I'm saying that to be kind, because you will never, ever, ever have a career in singing.
I don't believe you.
I'm telling you.
I don't believe you.
I'm telling you.
Well, you can tell me all you want, but I won't believe you.
Remember these words, you're not a singer. Not in a billion years. There are only so many words I can drag out of my vocabulary to say how awful that was. You actually sing like a train going off the rails. You sort of start off in tune, and then it just goes completely
started off nice.
Yeah.
And very, very fast.
You don't necessarily have to have a great voice to be a pop singer.
Don't believe a word of it. You taking singing lessons?
Yes, I do.
Who's your teacher?
There was this lady up in Montana.
I love song music and I love performing.
Great.
All right.
Great, why don't you give us, why don't you start with whatever song you want?
As I look into your eyes, I tell you what I see. Girl, you're the one I'm gonna keep in my dreams. I wanna hold you close, give you everything, girl, let you know you're only wearing my diamond ring. I wanna keep you in my heart, show you what I mean. Girl, you're the one I be seeing in my dreams. You wanna hear the chorus?
No, I couldn't hear anymore. Okay. Best singer in America?
Oh, yeah.
Right. I can honestly say you are the worst singer in America.
Really?
Truthfully...
Well, that's my first audition.
Well, I'm not surprised, and it should be your last.